Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein pulav recipe ideal as a healthy meal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 to 2 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds. And once it splutters, I'm adding in some whole spices, 1 inch cinnamon, 5 cloves, 5 cardamoms and half of a mace. Give it a light stir and allow the spices to get lightly roasted in the oil. Add in 1 onion sliced, 1 tablespoon garlic sliced, 1 tablespoon ginger sliced, 1 green chili. Green chili you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, and give this all a good mix. And allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. The onion has started to turn light golden brown in color. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Give it a good stir and allow the masalas to get lightly roasted for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. Add in 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon water, give it a stir, cover, allow the tomatoes to get cooked. 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir. The tomatoes are lightly cooked now. I'm going to roast the tomatoes on low flame for another 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes later, the tomatoes are lightly roasted. To this I'm adding in 1 cup boiled chana, also known as chickpeas or chole. Now what I've done is I have soaked the chana overnight and pressure cooked it for about 15 minutes with a little bit of salt. I'm adding in 1 cup of boiled chana. To make this more protein and fiber rich, I'm adding in 1 cup of moong sprouts. I have already shared how to sprout moong dal. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. Give it all a good mix. Cover and allow the sprouts to get cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. 3 to 4 minutes later, open the lid and give it a good stir. Add in 3 cups of cooked rice. Here I am using a traditional variety of rice known as Ilipaipu Chamba rice. Traditional varieties of rice like this has more B vitamins, especially B1. So it's always ideal to use them if you have health issues like thyroid, PCOS, diabetes, or you simply want to include traditional rice varieties in your diet. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Give this all a good mix. Since I'm using cold rice, you need to mix it for at least 2 to 3 minutes or until the rice is steamed and warmed enough. Always remember that cooked and cooled rice which has been kept in the refrigerator at least for a day has a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps in good gut health. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. Okay, now everything is nicely mixed and the rice is heated up. At this stage, I'm turning off the flame. Some finely chopped coriander leaves. Squeeze in half a lemon and give this all a good mix. And my super healthy chana sprouts pulav is ready to serve. I'm going to transfer this to a serving bowl. Some fresh coriander leaves on top. And my super healthy high protein chana sprouts pulav is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any raita, pickle or any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy chana sprouts pulav and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.